Welcome back to another video with your one and only Crystal. Welcome to Life with Crystal and Zion. You got Zion in the background as usual. Hopefully she doesn't make an appearance, because I'm about to do a crazy one, guys. Merry past Christmas. Happy New Year's when it comes. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are wonderful. I hope you guys are blessed. And I hope you guys are ready to eat and watch me eat. So guys, let's just get right into the video. I've got 7 wings that I just made. I was gonna order from KFC, but I was like, you know what, a girl can cook, so let me cook. Normally 2 wings are like 99p or £2, and I was like, why not spend 120 and get 7 wings and cook them yourself? So I'm gonna be doing the 2 times spicy challenge. My mouth was my mouth's watering already. So I've got some Nando's sauce, which I'm gonna do like say 2 or 3 in Nando's sauce, and then the rest I'm gonna do in 2 times spicy. So let's just sprinkle a little seasoning over them there. Sprinkle a little seasoning. So let me show you guys a wing. I made this not too long ago, so it's still nice and hot. And I got the 2 times spicy noodle. I tried to get the actual like sauce, but it's too expensive, so I just went out and I bought my own. I just bought like a little 2 times spicy noodle. So I'm just gonna cover that. Oh, guys, I'm gonna insert clips of me cooking. I'm just gonna cover a few of those. Ooh, and then oh my gosh, that's a lot. I'm not trying to kill myself. And I got some Nando's sauce here. I got my water and I got some gloves. So this is gonna be, let's say 10-minute let's say 5-minute challenge. I'm gonna try to finish all 7 of these in 5 minutes. I'm gonna start a timer. I don't have a timer right now, so I will only know until the end if I've completed it or not, because Zion's got my tablet. So I'm gonna try and do this in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 7 wings, 2 times spicy. That looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do some 2 times spicy. I got this one is a medium Nando's sauce. So let's just rub that in. Oh my gosh, I'm scared already. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. That's good. One done. Ooh, that's hot. Don't feel like there's enough sauce. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. Ooh, this one I'm gonna do in the Nando sauce. My tongue is burning. Oh my god. That wing is bomb. Freaking egg. I saw Matt Stoney do spicy wing, like 12. I don't know how he done it. I'm almost there. I can do it. I'm almost there. 3 more. There's a lot of sauce on this thing. Jesus Christ. I never. My mouth is burning. The water is right there. How much minutes am I? This is the biggest piece. Ooh. There you go, guys. There we go, guys. 7 2-time spicy wings. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, that was delicious. That was delicious. Ugh. My mouth is on A1 fire. That was delicious. I'm gonna put, excuse me, I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description box below. That was delicious. That's all I can say. Please, guys, if you think I made that challenge, if you think you're gonna try, please leave a comment in box down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. For all the new subscribers, welcome. You're amazing, you're beautiful. I can't even talk. You are awesome, you are beautiful, you are winning, you are absolutely amazing. Happy New Year's, guys. Have a wonderful year. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys. Bye.